I'm just a little depressed. For the first time in my life,
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You know why that is?
Why?
Because you're over 50.
That's a lot of sugar there, bud.
Don't I know it? Over 50.
Yum, yum, yum.
Age is just a state of mind.
Tell that to my
He likes the
sons.
coconut.
I just feel awful. I don't want to go on. No, I can't stand it. I cannot stand it.
Well, I can't either. Listen, you have your looks, your health, you have a couple bucks in the bank, and friends who love you, and that's a hell of a lot more than most people have. And I'm just not going to sit here and listen to
That's a crazy amount of sugar. I think you've had enough sugar there,
Yes.
Pumpkinhead.
Enough sugar. And oh, who's the bunny rabbit? Who's the bunny rabbit?
She's right.
He wants to eat the bunny rabbits.